Hey everyone, welcome back to You Smile Tech. Today we've got something really exciting for you. We're diving into the 13 coolest gadgets you can buy on Amazon right now. From smart monitor to smart vacuum cleaner, we've got it all. So if you're looking to upgrade your tech game or find the perfect gift, stick around because you won't want to miss this. Samsung M8. Smart monitor. First up is the Samsung M8 smart monitor. This isn't just any monitor, it's a versatile powerhouse that doubles as a TV. With its stunning 4K display, every detail comes to life, making it perfect for both work and entertainment. It comes with built-in speakers that deliver crisp, clear sound, and an added webcam that's perfect for video calls and virtual meetings. But that's not all. The M8 smart TV features let you stream Netflix, YouTube, and more directly on the monitor without needing a separate device. You can easily connect your laptop, Apple products, or Samsung smartphone thanks to its wide compatibility. Whether you're working, binge watching your favorite shows, or gaming, this monitor has you covered. And the best part, it's available for just $449. LifeStraw Survival Gear. Next, we have the LifeStraw Survival Gear, a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. This personal water filter ensures you always have access to clean, safe drinking water no matter where you are. The LifeStraw has undergone rigorous testing and is proven to filter out 99.99% of waterborne bacteria and parasites, making it safe to drink from rivers, streams, and lakes. It provides up to 4,000 liters of clean water with proper maintenance, making it a reliable companion for camping, hiking, and emergency preparedness. Stay hydrated and safe with the LifeStraw Survival Gear. HP Sprocket Portable Instant Photo Printer. Capture and print your favorite moments instantly with the HP Sprocket Portable Instant Photo Printer. This compact device is perfect for creating physical mementos from your digital photos. Simply connect your iPhone, select your favorite photos, and print them out in seconds. The Sprocket's slim design makes it easy to take with you anywhere so you can print on the go. Whether you're at a party, on vacation, or just hanging out with friends, you'll love turning your memories into tangible keepsakes. Get your HP Sprocket for just $80 and start creating your own photo prints today. Clic-Light Safety meets innovation with Clic-Light, a wearable smart LED signal designed to keep you visible on the road. With an impressive 6,000 lumens of brightness and a visibility range of up to 400 meters, Clic-Light ensures that you can be seen from a distance, day or night. It's perfect for cyclists, motorcyclists, skateboarders, and anyone who needs to stay visible while on the move. The light is easy to attach and adjust, making it a versatile and essential safety device for outdoor activities. Rocketbook Everlast Reusable Smart Notebook. Say goodbye to wasteful paper notebooks and hello to the future with the Rocketbook Everlast Reusable Smart Notebook. This innovative notebook features 36 pages that can be wiped clean with a damp cloth, allowing you to reuse them again and again. It seamlessly integrates with your favorite digital platforms like Slack, email, and Google Drive, making it easy to save and share your notes. Simply write, scan, and erase. It's that easy. Ideal for students, professionals, and anyone who loves to jot down their thoughts. Grab your Rocketbook Everlast for just $17 and revolutionize the way you take notes. Pelican MagSafe wallet and card holder. Next, we have the Pelican MagSafe wallet and card holder, a sleek and secure way to carry your essentials. This wallet features strong magnets that keep it securely attached to your iPhone, ensuring that your cards are always within reach. Its rugged case is IPX4 water resistant, providing extra protection against the elements. With room for multiple cards and a slim design, it's perfect for everyday use. Get the Pelican MagSafe wallet and card holder for just $39. Hypath 8-in-1 Adventure Backpack. Transform your travel experience with the Hypath 8-in-1 Adventure Backpack. This versatile bag can be used as a roller bag, backpack, carry-on, or detachable day pack, making it perfect for any journey. With its smart design, you can maximize space and easily adjust it to suit your needs. Whether you're heading on a weekend getaway or a long adventure, this backpack has you covered. It's designed to be durable and functional, providing ample storage and easy access to your belongings. Say goodbye to cumbersome luggage and hello to the Hypath 8-in-1 Adventure Backpack. Sunset Projection Lamp. Create the perfect ambiance with the Sunset Projection Lamp. This unique lamp allows you to project beautiful, warm lighting in your bedroom or any other space. Simply adjust the head to find the perfect angle and let the sunset glow fill the room. It's perfect for setting a relaxing mood, enhancing your decor, or creating stunning visuals for photography. Whether you're winding down after a long day or hosting a cozy gathering, the Sunset Projection Lamp adds a touch of magic to any setting. Get yours for just $17. WYZE Cam Panver 3 Home Security Camera. Enhance your home security with the WYZE Cam Pan V3, a budget-friendly camera that doesn't compromise on features. With its high-tech design, weather resistance, and excellent video quality, you can keep an eye on your home inside and out. The camera offers 360-degree coverage, allowing you to pan, tilt, and zoom to monitor different areas. It also integrates with the WYZE app, so you can check in on your home from anywhere, receive alerts, and review footage. All this for only $40 makes the WYZE Cam Pan V3 an incredible value for home security. Hatch Restore. Say goodbye to jarring alarms and wake up peacefully with the Hatch Restore. This innovative device combines a sound machine, sunrise alarm clock, and sleep assistant in one. The Hatch Restore gently wakes you up with a gradual sunrise simulation, helping you start your day feeling refreshed and relaxed. It also features soothing sounds and guided meditations to help you wind down at night. With customizable settings and a sleek design, it's the perfect addition to your bedroom. Experience better sleep and wake up naturally with the Hatch Restore, available for $130. Zyllion Shiatsu Back and Neck Massager Experience. Ultimate relaxation with the Zyllion Shiatsu Back and Neck Massager. This compact device delivers powerful shiatsu massage and soothing heat to relieve muscle tension and stress. Whether you're at home, in the office, or even in the car, the Zyllion massager is designed to provide comfort and relief. Its ergonomic design fits perfectly on your back, neck, and shoulders, allowing you to target specific areas. Treat yourself to a spa-like experience anytime, anywhere. Get your Zyllion Shiatsu Back and Neck Massager for just $50. Brazyn Morph Alpha Foam Roller. For fitness enthusiasts, the Brazyn Morph Alpha Foam Roller is a game changer. This innovative foam roller features a smart design that allows it to collapse for easy portability. Simply pull the ropes to expand it into a full-size roller, perfect for post-workout recovery and muscle relaxation. Its durable construction and ergonomic design make it ideal for targeting sore muscles and improving flexibility. Whether you're at the gym, at home, or on the go, the Brazyn Morph Alpha Foam Roller is a must-have tool for your fitness routine, available for $70. iRobot Roomba 694. Say goodbye to vacuuming with the iRobot Roomba 694. This smart vacuum cleaner does the work for you, lifting dirt, debris, and dust from both carpets and hard surfaces. With its advanced sensors and powerful suction, the Roomba 694 ensures a thorough clean every time. It easily navigates around furniture and obstacles, reaching even the most hard-to-access areas. Control it with the iRobot app or voice commands, making it a convenient and efficient way to keep your home clean. Available for $236, the iRobot Roomba 694 is a customer favorite for a reason. And there you have it, folks. Those were the 13 coolest gadgets you can buy on Amazon. We hope you found something that piqued your interest. If you did, all the links to these amazing products are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech content. Also, hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which gadget was your favorite, or if there's something else you'd like to see us review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.